Juvie here with Red Living Philippines. I wanted to show everyone what we've been doing at the farm, at the chicken farm. As you'll see in a bit how much it has improved, because we have my sister and her husband staying here for good, looking after the things along with the caretaker. So anyways, let's look around. As you can see, we added this because when it's raining, half of the living area over there is getting wet. And this room has been completed along with that other room. And if we look around, our trees are thriving and we have more corn. As you can see, they all have corn on them. Along with the taros, they have a lot of corn. Look at that. If we're lucky, we'll get some, because our friendly rats, field rats, sometimes gets them before we do. I believe the last time you've seen this one being constructed for the new chicks. They're all now grown. There they are. As you can see, they're big. They're getting big. Right there. They've gotten big, and my sisters started planting more corn over here, as you can see. They're all getting bigger, and we got eggplants right there. And I believe there's more veggies growing up there. You just can't see them yet because they just planted them. Okay, as you can see, we've expanded the number of teepees. Or we're putting all our roosters on these teepees. This is not all of them yet. Oops. Right there, we do have quite a bit of them still, not in teepees, but we're getting ready to put them all. Goes all the way over there. They're training them, they're practicing them. Let's see how they do. These are young ones. Ayaw. I guess one of them don't want to do it because he's too young. Look at that. Ika palang buri na labanan. Ay, tae pa bisa si Epa siguro ready.
Niya kasanting.
Nuping kasanting ang katawan, laway mo naman.
Ang kulay ng pong
Oo.
kain, niya kakain. Yung babae ka rin.
Ay, way talibad-libad yan pa niya. Timpang maputing libad-libad.
Totoy pa kasi ito.
Pangadagulda. We also have another addition to the farm. Let me introduce you to Betty. Hi, Betty. There's Betty. There's our Betty. She's a female goat, and she's about to be a mother. She's 2 months. She's 2 months pregnant, going on 3. There she is. Hi, Betty. Hi, baby. Oops. Hi, baby. It's okay. It's okay. And there's Betty's house. We don't like the rain, so as soon as it starts raining, she goes in there because she doesn't like getting wet. She's beautiful. You want to say hi? Okay, say hi to me. Come. Come on. That's our Betty. Say hi, Betty. Say hi. You don't want water? Betty. Hi, Betty. Oh. Where's Betty? Hi. Oh, yeah, hello. You. Place is getting cleaned up slowly, and as you can see, we have some plants or trees. We have some avocados. We have avocados and rambutans. They go all around the perimeter of the fence. You can't see it there yet because it's still getting cleaned up, but there it is. We're eventually gonna clean out this area too, I believe, because we're gonna need more space for our chickens right there. Roosters. Slowly getting cleaned up. And because it's rainy season, here comes the rain. Look at that. All the chickens are hiding. Even Betty. So everybody's over here. Why did it have to rain today? naman ng palay itong mura rin. Rain has stopped and we added more over there. More chicken. Teepees. May bukong meat. So we're gonna be going home here soon and we're gonna be trekking it because the rain, our car couldn't make it down if it stayed here during the heavy rain. So we're gonna be walking here soon. Here we are on our trek back to the cars. Oops. Road is not as bad yet because it only rained this afternoon, but our resident dogs usually follow us. Here's one. Uwi ka na. Huwag ka dyan. Mahulog ka. Ayan ko na. Kuya ni JB mo na susi. There's our luggage. But the rest of us are walking. Bakit ko nga chindori nung mananong mag-video? It'll be about 10 minutes na. 10-minute walk to the car. So I'll end it here for now. Whew. This is one of the cemented portions of the road. They cemented just sections of it, and this is one of them. This is a long one. Oops. I think there's like 4 of them on this road. They only cemented the worst of them. So there's still portions with just dirt. Last year, during rainy season, you can't pass on this road because the ruts and the mud, cars are getting stuck even if they're 4-wheel drive. So this is just one, like I said, one of the ones that they cemented. Hopefully by next year they can cement the rest of the road. This used to be an alternate road we used to take last year. So here's the last portion that's cemented before we make it to the original cemented road, or the beginning of the end of the cemented road before. And look how messy it is. All it needs to do is rain a little bit and this is what happened. And we are here. There's our cars waiting. Whoa. Ying? He's all muddy.
Ha?
Oh, oh, oh. Kalalali ako. Kaya ako mitwag na. And here we go. Our usual parking space. Panayang kay lumwal yan, bayok saki. Manggatal na ako. Ay ni susi. That's it for our update of Chicken Ranch 2.0. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.